Welcome to Divine Spirit Messenger. My name is Tommy Xavier, and I'm a psychic medium and a Reiki master. A breakup or divorce is one of the most intense emotional shifts we experience. It can leave us feeling lost, heartbroken, and disconnected from ourselves. But this transition is also an opportunity, a chance to heal, rediscover your power, and create a future filled with love and joy. In this meditation, we will release emotional pain, strengthen self-love, and align you with a future that is even more beautiful than you can imagine. I will be sending you Reiki healing energy along with a supportive vibration of crystals to help you move forward with peace and strength. Let's begin. Find a peaceful place where you can fully relax. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in through your nose, hold for a moment, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Breathe in healing and peace. Exhale sadness and grief. Breathe in strength and renewal. Exhale attachment to the past. With each breath, your body softens, your heart feels lighter, and your mind becomes clearer. Now, visualize a soft pink and golden light flowing through your heart center, soothing and restoring you. I will now begin sending you Reiki and the energy of each crystal, one by one. Rhodonite. Feel this crystal's energy wrapping around your heart, gently healing old wounds. You are safe to feel, process, and release. Rose Quartz. As I send you this gentle energy, your heart fills with self-love, inner peace, and divine comfort. You remember your worth and your ability to love again. Black Obsidian. This powerful stone now dissolves energetic cords and attachments from past relationships. You are free from toxic ties and emotional weight. Amethyst. As I send this crystal's energy, your mind becomes clear, your emotions settle, and you feel deeply connected to your highest self and spiritual healing. And lastly, Moonstone. Finally, I send you the soothing energy of Moonstone, helping you embrace change, trust the future, and step into a new, beautiful chapter of your life. Breathe deeply and feel the combined power of these crystals working within you, restoring your heart and aligning you with new love and joy. Now, visualize yourself in a sacred, peaceful space. A soft, radiant light appears before you, and from this light, your spirit guides step forward. This loving, supportive presence surrounds you with warmth and reassurance. Feel the comforting energy embracing you. Your spirit guide place their hands over your heart, sending you waves of love and healing. They whisper a message just for you. Words of wisdom, strength, and encouragement. Listen closely. Trust what you receive. Know that you are never alone. Your guides walk beside you, guiding you towards a future filled with love, happiness, and peace. Now, picture yourself standing in a peaceful, sacred space. In front of you, there are a doorway of golden light. This represents your future, a place filled with happiness, love, and new beginnings. Behind you, there is a shadowy past, holding the pain, disappointment, and memories of your past relationship. Take a deep breath. Now, step forward through the golden doorway, leaving the past behind. As you walk through, the weight of heartbreak disappears. Your energy becomes lighter, freer, and open to new possibilities. Now, visualize yourself thriving, smiling, and feeling deeply fulfilled in the future. You are whole. You are enough. You are loved. As I send Reiki to your heart chakra, feel its energy glowing brighter. Your heart is healed. The pain is dissolving. You are reconnecting with self-love and deep emotional strength. Your spirit is embracing the limitless love and happiness available to you. As this energy integrates, repeat these affirmations with me. I release the past with love and gratitude. I am worthy of deep love and happiness. My heart is healing, and I am growing stronger every day. New love and joy are flowing into my life. Now place your hands over your heart, feeling the warmth of your own love. Take a deep breath in and embrace yourself fully. Your heart, your strength, your beauty, and your resilience. Visualize yourself radiating self-love, confidence, and peace. Know this truth. You are complete on your own. You deserve the deepest love, starting with yourself. Your future is bright, and love will flow to you in divine timing. As this meditation comes to a close, take a final deep breath. You are healed, whole, and ready to embrace your next chapter. Step forward with strength, self-love, and excitement for the future. And so it is. Blessings to you always.